In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to land your first few office cleaning accounts right out of the gate. This is especially perfect if you are starting out or struggling pretty bad. Let's get right into it. But before we do, really quick, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. But if this is your first time here, my name is Mike Mack from automatedcleaningbusiness.com, and I help everyday people build automated cleaning businesses without getting dirty in the process. I'm also the author of the Amazon bestseller Pick Up Cash, Not Trash, where I basically show you how to do just that. If you get value from this video, consider subscribing. Now let's get right into it. All right, so now you are ready to start growing your office cleaning business. Like, more likely, you're ready to get this thing off the ground. You're excited about it. You're ready to get that commercial money. Well, congrats on that decision, because it's a great decision, okay? This business absolutely changed my life. So let me tell you something that I wish was told to me in the beginning, okay? Before I get into the tips, it's you really have to put an emphasis on keeping things simple. You have to avoid the shiny object syndrome. You know, you have to really stick with a few different things, and that's all it's going to take to get you to become successful, okay? So please, please, please avoid getting crazy with it, all right? So just play it simple. This is a simple business. Whenever this type of business becomes complicated, it's probably because you're doing something wrong. Now, it's not easy, would never say that. No business is, no business worth it is, but it is simple, so don't overcomplicate it. Now, with that in mind, let's get right to the tips. The first tip to land your first office cleaning account, like right out of the gate, is more of a subtraction, okay? I want you to focus on your marketing. Do not focus on your equipment. Don't focus on things that like you need. Don't even focus on insurance. Don't focus on LLCs. All that stuff is important, and yes, you need all of that stuff. But right out of the gate, you need to start marketing, okay? Because without marketing, it doesn't matter if you have 100 different things lined up in the back end. It's never gonna get you clients. Like, I'll see so many people start this type of business, and they'll spend months trying to figure out their business plan. Business plan? Are you kidding me? We're a service-based business, okay? We attract offices, okay? Then we get those offices, and then we put great cleaners there, and they take care of those offices, okay? And then we support both parties from our position, right? And then eventually we hire someone to do it for us. Does that make sense? So your focus in the beginning, it needs to be simple, okay? Because that's the only way your marketing is actually gonna be good. Now let me get into the next one. The next tip for getting your business off the ground as quick as possible is keep it simple. Okay, now I just mentioned marketing, right? You notice I'm beating this drum. Keep it simple, keep it simple, keep it simple, because that is what you need to do. And I see so many people get caught up on that. So what do I mean by that? So let's say when it comes to marketing, this is where a lot of shiny object syndrome is gonna come in. You know what I mean? If you're not familiar, shiny object syndrome is, let's say you're using Instagram, hypothetically, to reach out to clients. And let's say you're getting so results, and then you see a YouTube video similar to this one, and someone's like, don't use Instagram, Instagram's terrible, go use Yelp instead. And then you go to Yelp, and now you're struggling on Yelp. And then you see someone say, don't do Yelp, you gotta do cold email. Then you jump to cold email. I see that derail so many businesses, it's not even funny, okay? So this is serious business, guys. So it's like, all right, Mike, what marketing should I do? How should I keep it simple? Look, I have my ways. You know, I teach the rich niche in my program. It's about creating omnipresence. It's omnipresence marketing around your particular clients, but you don't have to do that to land your first couple of clients. All you need to do is pick the marketing that works best for you. Now, you hear me on this channel all the time say I don't like cold calling, and I don't. There's a few other things I don't like doing and I would never do. That being said, if you have a natural proclivity towards cold calling, let's say you have a history of cold calling and you're good at it, then it's most likely going to work, at least in the beginning for you. That's very different, isn't it? I want you to play to your strengths. I want you to not worry about what everyone else is doing. If you feel most comfortable going door to door, I would never advocate for that. But if you felt most comfortable doing that, then I would rather you do something you're most comfortable at than something you're not comfortable at, because the key for marketing is not just doing it, is being good at it, okay? Because everyone thinks they could market, and including myself in the very beginning, I thought I was hot, you know what? I was like, I got this, and guess what? I was humbled, okay? And that's good. That means you're taking risk and you're taking chances, that you will be humbled sometimes. So play to your strength. That's the best key, no matter what the marketing marketing tactic is. If you are good at it, use that. Let's go to the next one. And lastly, the most important step, we covered the simplicity. I beat that drum to a million pieces, okay? And now it's like, all right, you're not gonna be focused on a zillion things. You're just gonna be focused on marketing, okay? That means you are just focused on landing that account. You'll get the other stuff in the background. You'll get the LLC, you'll do all that stuff in the background. And the next thing we focused on is play to your strengths when it comes to the marketing. So what's the last thing? The last thing is the glue. Okay, and that is consistency. That's right, because it doesn't matter what your marketing is, it doesn't matter how good it is. If you're not consistent, it won't work. It just won't work. And that's another thing why I mentioned shiny object syndrome. You can be doing a specific thing like cold calling. If you're good at cold calling, it's only gonna work if you continue to do it, right? Hence the whole premise of cold calling is it's, you know, you can call as many people, it's unlimited amounts of people you can call, and it's a numbers game. You call enough people, eventually you get clients, okay? That's a miserable experience for most of us, but some people are damn good at it, and hats off to them. That's not easy. So, but the point is that only works if you're consistently calling people. Just like if, let's say you're gonna cold email, you have to consistently cold email. Guys, I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down. If you are, hit me with a thumbs up below. Let me know that I'm not just a crazy person talking through a lens right now, all right? So guys, no, but seriously, stay consistent no matter what it is. I don't care if you're opening doors to businesses and putting a flyer and then, you know, making it into an airplane and just like pushing it through the door. Better do that, stay consistent at that than do nothing at all. I'm serious, okay? Stay consistent, that's the key. All right, guys. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope these tips were exactly what you needed. It's what I needed in the beginning, and I wish I had in the beginning. I wish I had someone to go to me and tell me these things, because I would have gotten there a lot faster than I actually did. Guys, for anyone who is looking to get there a lot faster and you would like to see how my team could possibly help you do that, click the first link in the description, book a call to talk with my team today. For everyone else, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and what's up with a like? Hit me with that like. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.